You see that glow right there? If this is what you need, this Xmas, then this is a video you would want to watch. Because why? If I could get my skin popping just 2 months after delivery, then your case would not be different. Okay, two things in one video: getting a product that actually glows your skin and in the long run lightening your skin, so they are safe enough to be used for a very long time. You can use it till Jesus comes. A well moisturized skin is basically a glowy skin. If your skin is well moisturized and well taken care of this season with this product I'm about to share with you guys, you're definitely going to have a very glowy skin.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey loves, and welcome to my channel. This is Unita here with a very smiley face. If this is your first time, hi, please do not make it your last. Endeavor to subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notification bell icon beside the subscribe button so you get notifications as to whenever there is an upload from me. To my OGs, I'm really grateful. Welcome back to another video. Guys, I bring you good tidings. It's Christmas. Christmas is smelling. Who can smell that with me? Yeah. What if I told you a glowy skin is still possible 2-3 weeks into Christmas? Yes, it is possible. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can achieve a glowy skin on a budget 2 to 3 weeks before Christmas. Everything we'll be doing around this month, everything we'll be talking about this month is going to be around the season, around the weather. It's going to be related to the weather, the current weather condition, because obviously we are in the Harmattan season. For those who are not Nigerians, here in Nigeria from December up until January, we experience what is called Harmattan, just like winter. It falls in the morning, just snow, like kind of, it's very cold, very dry. It tends to dry out the skin, especially for people with super dry skin. You don't want to go out looking all wrinkled, looking all shabby, looking all dried out, you know. So you want to glow that skin on a budget, because we have a whole lot of things to do with cash this season. Okay, so without further talk, let's delve straight into the video. I want to really get something clear so that I don't get like questions that are really not necessary. Okay, this video is not particularly dedicated to a certain skin type or a certain skin tone. So irrespective of your skin type or skin tone, dark skin, caramel skin, light skin, whatever skin tone, you just need your skin to pop. For those who do not know what a glowy skin looks like or what it feels like to have a glowy skin, a glowy skin is a skin that feels like glass. When you hear skin like glass, that is the kind of skin I'm talking about. A skin that is looking all shiny, all beautiful and well moisturized. Having said that, the very first thing I need you to have at the back of your mind when you intend to have a glowy skin, especially during this period, from start to finish of your skincare product should have ingredients that helps to moisturize and soften the skin. Ingredient that targets hydration. These ingredients I'm talking about could be almond oil, vitamin E oil, vitamin C oil, and a host of other oils combined together to actually give you a glowy skin. All your skincare products should contain all of these ingredients or all of these vitamins that helps to make your skin glowy, if that makes any sense. So the very first one here on my list is definitely going to be a scrub. Now the scrub I'm going to be recommending is a scrub I have never ever gotten complaint about. It's a very nice scrub that will give you absolute value for your money. I am very particular about this scrub. There are 2 scrubs I'm going to be recommending, and all of them are going to give you bangs, like back to back. Very first scrub on my list is the Alpha Arbutin Sugar Scrub. And why I chose to talk about Alpha Arbutin Scrub, it does not only maintain your skin tone, because Alpha Arbutin helps to lighten up the skin for people who are already light skin, and if you're caramel skin, it just helps to brighten up your skin and give you like one shade like that. So this Alpha Arbutin Sugar Scrub contains BHA and AHA. BHA is beta hydroxy acid that helps to exfoliate the skin, like the dirty layer of the skin, prepping your skin for your skincare product to penetrate deeply. Of course, we know what scrub actually generally does to the skin. It also contains AHA, which is the alpha hydroxy acid. Like, this acid has been infused into this particular scrub to help actually exfoliate your skin in-depthly. Now I'm going to be telling you at the end of this video how you can properly exfoliate your skin if you want your skincare product to work effectively and if you want to have great value for your money. Now Alpha Arbutin on its own helps to lighten dark spots and dark parts of the body, so it is particularly okay for all skin tone as well as all skin type, because why? It's going to exfoliate your skin and also lighten up dark spots and dark parts of the body. Now the next scrub on my list I'm going to be recommending is the Vitco vitamin C scrub. This particular one is very dear to me. I have tried it. When I used it, it was around 3,500 to, 3,500, but I'm currently selling for 6,000 naira, 5,000, depending on where you're getting it from, because of course prices varies based on location, as I would always say. So this particular two scrubs, they are very, very good. This Vitco vitamin C sugar scrub is absolutely amazing. Like, it targets stretch marks, wrinkles, discoloration, dark spot, like name it, like all skin issues. It pale skin, dry skin. I love the feel that this particular scrub gives to the skin. Like, the finishing it gives when you're coming out of the bathroom, it lathers a whole lot, especially for people with super dry skin. You don't want to go exfoliating your skin with a dry scrub. Avoid exfoliating your skin with a scrub that does not lather. Like, I'm saying this out of experience, these scrubs are absolutely amazing, and they would not only glow your skin, they would just soften, moisturize, as well as, nourish your skin really, really well. The next thing I'm going to be recommending now is soaps. Okay, now I'm going to be recommending two brands, two bar soaps, and two shower gel. The very first one on my list is going to be palm olive shower gel. Now, when I'm using palm olive shower gel, I go for the one meant for sensitive skin, because I have super sensitive skin. For this season, I'll recommend the one with almond, because almond helps to moisturize the skin. Like I said earlier, when you're intending to use products that would glow and moisturize your skin, go for product that contains almond, vitamin C, vitamin E. Remember what I said earlier? Yeah, this is the one you should go for. Go for the one that contains almond, and you can also go for the one that contains honey, that will in-depthly moisturize your skin, like give your skin this finish, this glow, like after a bath. Like, this particular shower gel is very dear to me because it's highly moisturizing and would leave a glowy finish upon application or after usage. Okay, now if you don't have money to go for the shower gel, because it's currently selling for 4,000, 4,500, 3,500, 3,800, so prices just goes up and down just like that. It fluctuates. If you don't have money to go for the shower gel, you can opt in for the bar soap. The bar soap, one thing I love about the bar soap is that it comes in variants, like different variants, but they all target almost same skin issue. It comes in variants and also comes in sizes. You can just pick up the size you can afford for this season, because of course what we're talking about is how to actually have a glowy skin this season on a budget. Yeah, so you can go for the bar soap that is selling for 2,000. The last time I purchased, it was selling for 2,000, and then the smaller one selling for 1,500, depending on where you're getting it from. You can even get it lower than that or higher than that, depending on where you're getting it from. So this bar soap is absolutely amazing. It's also going to give you what shower gel would do, even though shower gels give intense nourishment, like deep nourishment after usage, but these bar soaps are bar soaps that you can obviously not get it wrong. Like, picking this bar soap is just more like you saying, bye bye to dryness. The next brand on my list I highly recommend is Dove. Of course, like, tell me what brand I'm going to recommend for deep nourishing. When we talk about glowing, softness, everything moisturizing and nourishment, the particular one I'm going to be recommending is the one that contains coconut. Like, if you're trying to tackle scaled skin, dryness, and whatever, if you're not looking out for product that contains coconut, vitamin E, and shea butter, you are not ready yet. This particular shower gel contains coconut as well as shea butter to help nourish your skin and moisturize your skin in-depthly. Of course, we know what coconut does to the skin. It also helps to take care of like major skin concerns such as stretch marks, dark knuckles. Like, it smoothens out the skin and gives you like this unifying even skin tone. So if you're suffering from dryness, you're suffering from hyperpigmentation, you're suffering from uneven skin tone, this is a shower gel you should look out for, because it also contains shea butter that would help soften and nourish your skin really, really well. The Dove pampering body wash with shea butter and coconut is the one you should try out for this season. I mean, for this season, especially if you want your skin to glow. I'm talking about my Gen Z generation that wants their skin to like really, really glow. And I love this particular Dove shower gel because, just like the name implies, it pampers your skin whilst taking a shower. It has this vanilla flavor infused into it that makes you feel very refreshed upon shower. Okay, selling for 6,000, 5,500, 5,000 naira, 5,000 naira. Prices fluctuates based on where you get it from. Do you understand? So if you don't have money for it, I got you. The next thing you should do is look out for the Dove, bar cream bar soap, bar cream soap. Like, I'm going to leave it on the screen. You see this particular bar, there are varieties of bar soaps, but this particular bar soap is a banger. It's definitely going to nourish your skin, glow your skin, soften your skin, and also leave this creamy finish after a bath. Like, if you don't have money to go for the shower gel, don't over stress it, don't overthink it. This is the one you should go for. I'm plugging you on a very good thing. I know you are familiar with this product, but you see, this particular season, this is when to use this product. If you have been using this product during rainy season, during, like, when it's very hot, you have been using the wrong thing. Because as I always tell you guys, changing your skincare routine to align with the weather condition would really help your skin. Because as weather changes, like, it kind of take a toll on our skin. This is why we want to actually change our skincare product to align with the weather or the current weather condition. Okay, now the next thing you obviously need to do is getting a moisturizers that contain shea butter, either shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, vitamin E, or vitamin C. Because why? We're looking for a glowy skin. So the moisturizer I'm going to be recommending, or the body lotion I'm going to be recommending to you guys, is the Vaseline Even Skin Tone. Hold on, I understand you'll be wondering if I was going to like make mention of like a very maybe something like your amlactin, or like all them advanced clinicals. Remember, we are trying to glow on a budget, so we're grabbing everything beautiful on a budget. Okay, now this one is absolutely amazing. It's selling for 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. I have gotten it for 2,000, and yes, it was the original one for those who want to ask. So that's why I always say it, prices varies based on location. When you go to get your skincare products, ensure that you're getting the original one. So regardless of where you're getting it from, just if you know how the original one looks like, or how to spot the original one, you are going to buy your skincare product as cheap as, like, you're going to, somebody will not easily cheat you. Because most times you go, they will tell you, I'm selling original, when they're actually giving you the fake. This particular Vaseline Even Skin Tone, it like evens out the skin, moisturize the skin. It gives you this highly intense nourishment. It sinks deeply into the skin. That's one thing I love about it. It's very soft. Like, it doesn't leave greasy finish. It doesn't sit heavily, because we don't want something that will sit so heavily on our skin this period. So it sinks in deeply into your skin upon application. Another thing I love about this particular lotion is the fact that it contains SPF. Even though it doesn't contain ingredients that are harmful to the skin, it also contains SPF to help shield you from the harmful UV ray of the sun, which makes it safe enough to be used morning and night. It has also been infused with vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, that helps to fade away dark spots and discoloration. If you use it for a long period of time, it's obviously going to lighten your skin. So you see how you've gotten two things in one video, getting a product that actually glows your skin, and in the long run lightening your skin. So they are safe enough to be used for a very long time. You can use it till Jesus come. They are not going to harm your skin. You can actually pair this up with the Vit Gold Turmeric Super Lightening Body Oil. This one is made with turmeric that helps to lighten that spot, discoloration, dark feet, dark knuckles, in fact every dark part of the body. Try not to apply it directly on the skin, because it is too harsh to be applied on the skin, but it can go if you pair it with this body lotion. Pairing the two of them would give you a very good result. Okay, now this oil takes care of scalp, stretch marks, green veins, wrinkles, discoloration, early signs of aging and all of that. So the lotion and the body oils are going to marry each other to give you intense nourishment, thereby leaving you with a radiant, glowy finish skin. Like, if people don't compliment your skin tone in 3 weeks, just don't come back to this channel. Just go buy this product, get this product, and come back with a review after 3 weeks. I promise you're definitely going to love your skin. Now, one thing that makes product work effectively on our skin is believing. Believing brings about consistency, and consistency yields good results. So when you believe in whatever it is you do and you're consistent with it, it doesn't matter how long it takes. What matters is knowing that you're going to get a good result. So you're definitely going to get good result if you stay consistent. You can also still incorporate your lightening creams when using this product. You can use this product during the day and then your lightening product at night. I mean, for people that are light skin, you're not just going to have a glowy skin, you're also going to have a fairer skin, because Harmattan seasons are seasons where you would have a lighter skin, a glowy skin, and a well moisturized and nourished skin if you know what to do. How you can actually exfoliate your skin in order to get a very good result is after taking a shower with your sponge and soap. Go in with the scrub and exfoliate your skin, then go in with a shower gel, just pump into your hand and rinse off. You guys, say God, you would love your skin. Let me just end this video because like I should be done talking by now, because if you try this thing and it does not work, just know that I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to end this video right here. I hope this video is not too lengthy, and I hope you've subscribed. If you've not done that, please endeavor to do that before clicking out. Do not make this your last, because you're going to be missing. You're going to be missing. Okay, do not make this your last. Endeavor to subscribe, turn on your post notification bell icon beside the subscribe button so you can get notifications, and like this video. That way the algorithm will share it to people who want to see something like this. Okay, see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.